Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to another episode of South A Kitchen. And today what I'm going to do, I'm going to make like a lettuce beef wrap, well, a beef lettuce wrap. So first thing we finna start doing is get our meat. Take that on out. Come over here, set it down on the plate. This away. And we're using some romaine lettuce. Got an onion, some little bell peppers, and some regular spice peppers. And first thing, I'm gonna start seasoning the meat. Throw some salt on it. Some black pepper. And some garlic powder. And I'm finna come over here, start working it in. Make sure you just want to get all that flavors inside that beef, this hamburger meat. Gotta work it in there. Because seasoning is always important when you're cooking a protein. Always important. Just keep just going with it gently. Nice. Turn it back into a ball and just work it back out again. Alright, since got that on out the way, wash my hands. Now we should start slicing and dicing. Start with the onion. Cut the two ends off. Start in the middle. Peel it. That's one. Repeat the process. All right. That's that. And start slowly dicing the onions. Cut it in half. Another half, and just go. Throw that little piece away. I just love the smell of onions. I don't know what about y'all, but boy, whew, onions got a good fragrance. Good with cooking. Pretty much everything I usually cook, I always have onions in it. Always. 9 times out of 10. Especially when you start putting them in the pan. Oh boy, the smell is out of this world. Alrighty. Now start cutting on the peppers, bell peppers. Cut off the tips. Throw them away. Gently just go down the middle. Still got a little bit of seeds in there, but clear them all out. Just clear them out like that. Just go do it. Just scrape them out. Nice and easy. And I got 3-4 more of these to cut, and I get right back at you. Everything goes in. Just that easy. Wow, I'm gonna smell that. And get a little salt. A little pepper. And out the way, get some spoons to start. Just shifting it. Let everything cook. Throw just a little bit of butter in there. Half, put one in the middle, right here in the corner. And get to smell that flavor from the peppers and the onions. Oh God, that's about, it smells amazing. Heat up a little bit more. Yeah. So I cut on the other heat for the skillet. While that's cooking. Just go nice and gently around. Let that butter just melt down there into that pan. So I get nice and easy. Alright, now what I want to do now is start on the beef, make my beef sticks. So what you do is get a little piece off. First you make it into a little circular ball, and then you just start easy, just put some little force on it, like that, nice and easy. Nice and gently. Until you get them to about around that size right there. Put that down. Keep repeating it. Same thing over and over. Nice into a little ball. Just go gently. Just keep pressing it down while you're just going back and forth like that. And I'm gonna keep repeating this, and I'll get right back at you. Now, stir this one more time. Stir it around. Get to smell that flavor, man. I'm talking about, ooh, boy, it smells so good. All right, put that down. Gonna start throwing in the beef sticks. Nice and gently. Those cook. Oh, look at this. Whew. Oh boy, that smells amazing. Now, since it's almost sauteed a little bit, cut the heat down. Cut it down on low. Just hear that sizzling from that beef, oh boy. Just gently, just spin it around. Just want to cook it on every side that you can possibly cook it on. Just like on 4 sides. Just turn it nice and gently. Turn it on that side. Nice and easy. Just like that. And additionally, it's going to cook maybe for the beef sticks, maybe a few minutes. And while this is cooking, and I'll get right back at you once it gets done cooking. Now, since the beef sticks are ready, slowly just take them out the pan, set them there, let them rest. Now, since that's on out the way, we're going to put this to the side, let them rest for a little minute. Now it's time for the prepping. Grab our lettuce. Always rinse off first. That's the most important key, especially when it comes to vegetables and stuff. Make sure you always rinse. Now what to do, just take them off one little leaf. Always try to find the bigger ones. Rip them off. I always want to rip the stem off right here at the very tip. Boom. Just lay it down nice and gently. Repeat it. Get off. Lay it down flat. Now, first thing we're gonna do, start with our little saute peppers. Just easily, just put them on there, nice and easy. Do the second one the same way, nice and easy. Since you got that, I want to spread it out a little bit. Just easily just spread it. Nice and gently. Now, come on over here. Get our little sharp cheddar cheese. Just grate it. Just like that. Nice and easy. That does. Bring your cheese slightly. Throw it on the top. Spread it nice and evenly. Do a little bit more on this one. Now, since we got that out the way, get our beef. Put it on here nice and gently. Now, this is my take on a lettuce wrapped beef stick. Let's give it a little taste. Wrap it like that. Just wrap it. Like. Oh man. That is so good. And this is South A Kitchens, and I'm out. Thanks again for watching another episode of South A Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And it's the boy Skimp B, and I'm out.